Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I'm going to cover a sector in India market for hospitality tourism industry. So it's going to be a short and to the point and crisp video on the hospitality sector, which is I'm seeing some great breakouts in some of the stocks. So what we're going to cover in this video, we're going to cover three main things. One, we're going to cover the industry and sector in detail. We go through each and every specific sectors and also subsectors within that industry, and also we go and look at the second order derivatives which you can play in case post corona and covid the sector has been laggard, and now I'm see there are a lot of great stocks coming into play, so which can give a great opportunity. Second, we're going to look at some of the strong stocks which are there in that sector, and we're going to go through each and every stock quickly to see where are they standing in terms of the technical chart pattern and also fundamentally how good they are. Most of the stocks are currently at the moment are breaking out. We're also going to cover some stocks in the international market because we also need to look at it. Is the same story brewing in other markets as well? Because I invest in US, Australia, and other countries. So at least we know some stocks there, and we can go through that and try to connect the dots there. And the third, we're going to cover the stocks which I am looking at it as some strong stocks for this particular week in India market. So this is going to be a great short and to the point video. Please watch it till the end to get some of the views on some of the important stocks which I am looking at it this week. My name is ShivendraBhatia. I'm a founder of Peaceful Weekend Investing Hub, trying to make investing simple and easy and accessible for busy professionals like you. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you get the next video notified when I release. Without further ado, let's share the details. So let's first try to understand what is industry and sectors. So in industry and sector, we have hotels, resorts and restaurants, then amusement parks, then we got travel services and second order derivatives which are to do with IT services which are helping, and there are some services as well. So IT services, there are some companies which are providing solutions for travel industry, so that could be a second order derivative. It's important to connect the dots everywhere because if the sector is going to be booming, all those main elements or sectors and the second order all get benefited from that. So it's important that you look at it from holistically and connect the dots. So you could have various hotel industry listed, you could have amusement parks which are there in India listed, travel services, second order derivatives. I'm going to talk about some company which provides IT services to this industry, is going to be a interesting one. So let me share my trading view. Okay, so let's look at the stock of INDHOTEL, which is one of the leading. So I have selected only those stocks which are kind of at the moment breaking out and also above 4,000 crores market cap in India. Okay, so I've kind of ignored all other stocks for now because there's so many other stocks listed in the same industry, but let's look at the leading ones because then we get a good indicator of what's happening. As you can look at, this is a monthly chart, and in a monthly chart the stock has been laggard or has been a non-performer, as you can see very clearly here, right? So it is, as you can see, the stock has been kind of in uptrend, but a lot of volatility of this stock has been there to achieve this outcome. And so from that point of view, it is a laggard, I would say. But what is happening here is there is something changing, and you can see it's breaking out and it's moving all-time high, and that too with a strong bullish candle over here. So that means this particular stock has more room to go up because it's the first time in history is breaking out, and that too after 2008. And then it tried to attempt in 2018 and couldn't, and now it's breaking out. So as you can see, it has been in uptrend but with a lot of volatility, but is breaking out. So this is a good indicator of the sector is going to come out because, as you know, as a Dow theory, the prices discount further. So it is already kind of seen this industry gonna see some good run up, because post COVID this is the only sector which was left behind. So let's see whether the same behavior we see in other stocks of the same sector, or it is only for Indian Hotel. So there's another one, EIH, and EIH is another company which is a leading company in this hotel resort cruise lines. But in here still it's not gone above its corona decline, so it is in sideways, and at the moment it's still waiting on breakout. So it is clearly far away from that high. So that's at the moment doesn't look like that it's going to give any breakout, but keep a watch on it. Chalet Hotel. Now Chalet Hotel at the moment is looking very interesting on chart, because it is a monthly chart, so it doesn't have too many long history. But if you look at a weekly chart, then you can see here the stock is in uptrend, and also it's about to give a breakout there, and it has already kind of given a breakout, and it can be a good target which we can look at. It is up to 300 or 380 from here on. So this is another stock to look at it. Burger King. Burger King is a recent listing, but this is from restaurant industry and quick service restaurant, and something which you can keep eye on. It has been IPO week has been between the range of 213 and 108. It's kind of going sideways, so I'll just ignore for now. Then there is a Mahindra Holidays, which is another leading players. As you say, it has already given a breakout here, and it is now heading towards 299 and that there above. But the stock has already run up, and the buying zone is around 200. So till then, we'll wait and watch. BARBEQUE Nation is another recent listing. This is a kind of again a quick service restaurant, and I think they have a good product, and it is being acclimated by the strong players at the moment. I can see here, but we don't have a big history at the moment. But keep a watch on this, because it has been people are buying here, then it goes in sideways buy, then goes sideways buy, and it is now in sideways. So you can see there could be another run up coming soon. So keep a watch on it. Nesco, it is kind of a play which you will say why I've included. I think it's a real estate / food industry, because they have recently started new division for the cloud kitchen, and you need to keep watch on it. It's amazing debt-free company, but it is not everything coming from that. They have events. They have the big space in Mumbai for the events, as well as they have just started with the cloud kitchen. So keep a watch on this one. And just a disclosure here, I'm invested in this particular stock, and at the same time, whatever we're discussing in the stock is just for education purposes. Don't treat this as an investment advice, because all you have to deal with, whenever you're making any investment decisions, please consult your financial advisor. I'm just sharing my view here. Please take it with a pinch of salt. Thank you. ACCELYA is another company which provides basically nothing but technology service to the industry. I have opened the website, so they provide solution to passenger solution, cargo solutions, airline industry, news and views on that. So they provide solution for airline industry. So as a post-corona, I think once the airlines industry opens up, they will have business picking up. So it's a very interesting and very good company to watch out for. I shared with you Nesco. Nesco has some of these stocks. As you can see here, they have different divisions. So I'm opening up here for their businesses. It is hospitality, real estate, engineering, and events. So if you look at the hospitality, what is their key feature? You'll be surprised. This company has a cloud kitchen, because since they have event and exhibition and footfall is big, so they've started with their new division of food, where we have 20 food brands, 24k square feet of large non-flight kitchen, and 50,000 meals per day they make in their kitchen. As you see some of the pictures of their latest technology and all those gadgets they're using, it's a very professional looking kitchen. And then they have different kind of dining halls and positions. So these are different halls where they supply food, and then these are different brands within that. This is another stock to watch out for. So And let's look at some of the stocks globally. One of the stock which in US market is booking.com. I'm sure you must have used their services. I have turned the log chart on because I'm looking at it on the monthly chart and also the long term. So it's better to always look at the log chart so you get a better view. This stock has been in uptrend. If you remove the log chart, then you see percentage term. You don't get the real view what happened when in the previous year. So it's always turned on the log chart so that you can see the difference in percentage term versus the you see that in without log chart within the price terms. So as you can see here from the, if you remove the log chart, you don't get to see this difference, but the moment you put the log chart on, you exactly know it because it's a percentage difference. And in here, this was the time when it is come in and broken out and there was a huge drawdown, and then stock has moved ever since it has broken out from here. It is still going up and no looking back. All right, so you have to look at it from that perspective all the time. Sydney airport where I'm based, so it is right now giving a good bullish candle here. So it looks like things are opening up here because price is discounting that. Flight Center is also a kind of retail stores for booking of the flights, and you can see here it is at the moment trying to crawl up. So I don't see at the moment any big traction, but yes, looks like this is a good support and we'll see how it pans out. So that's the quick video on the hotel industry and travel industry. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it and you got some value out of this video. If you haven't subscribed, I would urge you to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified my next interesting video as soon as I release. Please like the video so that I at least get to know the feedback. And till the next time, see you again. Till the next time, see you next time. See you next time. Bye bye.